everyone. Today I'm going to show you an old trick for diffusing LEDs because if you've messed with them, you know they can be very harsh on the eyes. Now, this is on high right now. Even on low, it can still be kind of harsh to the eyes. Same deal with these right here, especially with the cool white. Now, these are on low. Let's flip them on the high. You can see this can really get bad to your eyes real quick. So the easiest way to do that and fix it is with ping pong balls. Or in this case, since we're working with surface mount LEDs, specifically the 3014 LED shape, half-size ping pong balls. Instead of 1.5 inches of diameter, these are 3/4 of an inch diameter. And I got these off of Amazon. And where did I put my balls? Oh, here they are. Yeah, big giant bag of these for a few bucks. I think there's like 100 in this pack, so it's great. So here it is on low. Diffuses beautifully. Now if I turn it on high, still it gives you a nice bright glow, but it's nowhere near as obtrusive and nasty as a direct LED, and you don't really lose a lot of lumens or a lot of light out of it. It just diffracts it everywhere. So let's show you how this works quite nicely. Okay, so we already did one on the little AA battery version of my lights. Let's do one of the super caps, and specifically, if I remember, yeah, let's do this one because this has the cool white LED. This one has the warm white LED, just like that one. So there's no reason to be redundant. So let's take this, get my balls, crinkle, 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 get a ball. Now, 3014 LEDs, it's 3 millimeters long by 1.4 millimeters thick. And I basically just did a freehand with myself. I probably should have used the hole. Like, I got the hole sitting right up top here. Let me shut this off so you can actually see. See how there's like a little hole right there from the manufacturing? I probably should have used that to cut instead of just the blank back of it. So let's do that correctly this time. And basically, just cut a little rectangle. Make sure you don't cut yourself in the process because these are fairly thick plastic. It takes a lot to crush them. God damn it. Let me get another ball. Stay. That's right. Okay. So let's cut a little rectangle in here. And that fits perfectly over it. So, oh darn it, this one has 2 holes. Okay, so some of them have 1 hole, some of them have 2 holes. Oh well, so I crushed the one that only had 1 hole. So, put the cap back on. And the easiest way to fix it is just a little bit of Loctite super glue or whatever your favorite brand is. Somehow this one, if you ever seen super glue turn white as it dries and gets that pasty feeling, this stuff I haven't seen it nearly as much, so I prefer to use this, but hey, your mileage may vary. So, paper towel would be nice. I thought these were the half-size. Oh, they are the half-size paper towels. Ah! Stay. Okay, I had to make sure I get a drip out of it because half the time this stuff seals. So, just a nice little dab around the LED itself. Don't worry about it if you get it on the LED. It's not going to hurt it. At least it hasn't for me so far. And hold it there for 20 seconds, basically. And let it dry. Now, of course, let it set for a few minutes before it's completely dry. Oh my god, it's amazing. I actually didn't get super glue on my fingers for once. But we can at least show you how it works now. So let's turn it on. And yeah, that's definitely works very nicely. Now, unfortunately, the camera on high, since I got the exposure locked, this is more yellow. This is more white. I'm going to turn off the exposure right now, or the exposure lock, and see what it does. Okay, it went down a little bit. You can see that this one's a little more orange. This one is definitely a cool white. Unfortunately, I don't have any real manual control when I'm in video on my camera that I'm recording on right now, so I can really bring the exposure down and show you. But you can still get the idea. It diffracts the light beautifully without being harsh to your eyes. So there's your quick tip. I will leave a link to my balls, Amazon balls, down in the description. And thumbs up, please, and I'll see you next video.